What is oceanic currents?
Sir, ocean currents are basically the flow of water in a particular direction within the oceans.
So you have written Shekhawati in your mother tongue.
Yes, sir.
What is the difference between language and Boli?
Boli varies more locally and it's spoken on a smaller scale and language is spoken on a larger scale. Yes,
तो
sir.
क्लास में जो शरारती बच्चे होते थे इनको आप कैसे कंट्रोल करते थे? जैसे आप उनकी कई बार शिकायत करते थे मान लो,
Yes, sir.
तो ऐसा आपको डर नहीं लगता था कि ये बच्चे कहीं बाहर जाके पिटाई कर देंगे?
As a DM of Seeker, what steps you are going to take to handle all these kind of negatives or challenges? बैठो कोमल, बैठो।
Thank you, sir.
तो कोमल कैसे हो आप?
Sir, fine.
ठीक है। So tell me 5 things because of which Arsikart is famous.
Sir, Shekhawati is very first famous for the Havelis and especially the fresco painting which is done on the Havelis. Sir, second one is Shekhawati is emerging as an education hub. Sir, third one is Shekhawati is also famous for its unique culture and
Every culture is unique. So 2,
yes, sir. Sir, can I take a few seconds?
please.
Sir, Shekhawati is next also famous for the presence of Sambar Lake.
Sambar Lake is in Shekhawati.
Sir, in Jaipur, yes, I was wrong word there. Sir, I cannot think.
I think Khadshamji is in Shekhawati.
Yes, sir, Khatu Shyamji, Jeen Mata and Harsh Temple, they are famous for the religious tourism in this area.
Pyaz production is very good in Shekhawati.
Sir, only in some areas because some areas experience the problem of water depletion, groundwater depletion. So it's good only.
Still
in
Pyaz
some
production is very good in Shekhawati.
Sir, है but कुछ areas में.
Good कुछ areas. सीकर नहीं है, जयपुर चूरू में नहीं होते, झुंझुनू में नहीं होते प्याज।
Sir, होते हैं but locally देखा जाए तो variation है.
चलिए, फ्रेस्को पेंटिंग में क्या फ़र्क है? मतलब क्या क्या है फ्रेस्को पेंटिंग?
Sir, fresco paintings basically जब paintings की जाती है on a wet plaster with the vibrant colors and especially mythological paintings are included in it.
Only on wet plaster.
So 2 types of frescoes there. I don't know much about it, but one is wet and one is dry. The more common
And
is
only
wet.
mythological paintings are there.
So mostly, apart from that, there are also paintings from the colonial times, like the trains of that time when they were launched, and other paintings are also there.
Okay. So what is the issue with this Godawan or Great Indian Bustard?
Sir, regarding Godawan, sir, it's an endangered species.
Okay. And
So, sir, the number is going down day by day. There is need to conserve the particulars.
is it really going down?
Yes, sir.
You need to check your facts, okay? So what is the issue with them? Why their number is going down, in your opinion?
So, because of the change in climate and the different factors that are affecting them.
And what are these factors?
So, especially if they are not able to get their effective environment or the environment they need to grow or they need to live.
If you know things, just answer them. If you don't know things, just say sorry or just say no. Okay? What is Malacca dilemma?
Sorry, sir.
What is Hormuz issue?
Sir, Hormuz issue, because of the recent conflict between Iran and Israel-US, the Hormuz Strait is basically on the threat of being blockaded. That's why it will affect the global trade.
And what kind of issues India is facing because of that?
Sir, since India imports nearly 80% of the crude oil and nearly 60% of the LPG, India will definitely face import
And what
inflation.
about other things other than these LPG and oil?
Sir, diaspora issues because
Other
of the
than-
recent conflict.
Or,
Sir, I'm not able to.
okay, what is oceanic currents?
Sir, ocean currents are basically the flow of water in a particular direction within the oceans.
Okay, so what kind of ocean currents are there?
Sir, mainly 2, hot and cold currents.
And
So other currents are also there, like upwelling and downwelling currents.
and
Sir, I can repeat this one.
surface currents, subsurface currents.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so where we generally found cold oceanic currents and where we generally found hot oceanic currents?
Sir, hot oceanic currents are mainly found in those areas where the current is being diverted from the equatorial areas, and cold currents are those which are coming from the polar areas.
which regions or which parts of the ocean we found them?
Sir, in the equatorial region, the hot currents are found. And if we come towards the western section of the continents, in the mid latitudes and higher latitudes, the cold currents are present.
And how they impact our monsoon?
Sir, I'm unable to connect with it.
So, thank you.
जैसे आपकी हॉबीज और आपका ये रहा है कि आप मॉनिटर रहे हैं, हाउस कैप्टन रहे हैं,
Yes,
तो
sir.
क्लास में जो शरारती बच्चे होते थे इनको आप कैसे कंट्रोल करते थे?
Sir, हर स्टूडेंट के अकॉर्डिंग वी हैव टू अडॉप्ट डिफरेंट अप्रोचेस बिकॉज देयर इज डाइवर्सिटी ऑफ माइंड्स. तो हर किसी के साथ टैकल करने के लिए हमें अलग अप्रोच लेनी पड़ती है.
जैसे आप उनकी कई बार शिकायत कर रहे थे मान लो,
यस सर.
तो ऐसा आपको डर नहीं लगता था कि ये बच्चे कहीं बाहर जाके पिटाई कर देंगे अपनी?
नो सर.
ऐसा नहीं होता था? तो कैसे, मतलब क्या प्रोसेस, वो कोर्स ऑफ एक्शन जानना चाहता हूँ कि कैसे आपने उनको कंट्रोल किया?
सर मेनली उनसे बात करके एंड उनको समझा के ये चीज़ पॉसिबल है बिकॉज इफ वी आर कंप्लेनिंग दे आर डूइंग द सेम थिंग्स अगेन एंड अगेन.
नहीं, शरारती बच्चे तो बात से कैसे मानेंगे? वो तो फिर से क्या और क्या, मतलब
सर
साम दाम
एक्चुअली
दंड
टुक
भेद?
द हेल्प ऑफ आवर टीचर्स इन दैट.
ओके ओके. नेचर से क्या सीखते हो आप उस समय?
सर मेनली नेचर से तो मेन जो पर्पस होता है हमारा वो होता है फॉर गेटिंग सम काइंड ऑफ पीस एंड डिस्टिंक्शन फ्रॉम द प्रेजेंट डिजिटल वर्ल्ड. एंड सर सेकंड जो चीज़ सीखने को मिलती है नेचर से, द वेरी फर्स्ट इज इंक्लूसिवनेस, सेकंड इज रिजिलियंस एंड अडेप्टेबिलिटी.
ओके.
सर
आप जहाँ से आते हैं, श्री माधोपुर से आते हैं ना?
यस सर.
तो ये क्यों फेमस है? कोई श्री माधोपुर का है स्पेशली कुछ?
सर नॉट वेरी फेमस.
वहाँ से पहले भी कोई सिविल सेवक बने आपके आसपास से, श्री माधोपुर से बने कोई पहले?
नॉट फ्रॉम श्रीमाधोपुर, फ्रॉम आउटस्कर्ट एरियाज,
अच्छा.
नियर बाई विलेजेस से निकले हैं.
आपके कोई आइडल है वहाँ से? मतलब आपने किसको देख के सीखा कि आपको तैयारी करनी है?
सर दैट इज़ हमारे स्कूल में सर सेमिनार्स कंडक्ट होते थे,
अच्छा अच्छा.
तो वहाँ से हमारी इंटरेक्शन हुआ.
ओके ओके. और सीकर में विशेषकर मिनरल्स क्या क्या आप मिलते हैं?
सर आई एम नॉट अवेयर अबाउट दैट.
रिसेंटली काफ़ी बड़ा, मतलब यहाँ पे खोज हुई है यूरेनियम वगैरह की, सुना आपने?
यूरेनियम सर इन खंडेला.
खंडेला में, हाँ. तो पता तो है आपको?
सर बट आई वाज
हाँ
नॉट श्योर.
ठीक है श्याम.
So you have written yoga in your extracurricular.
यस सर.
When does we celebrate International Yoga Day?
सर ऑन 21st of June.
Okay, so how does it help with our foreign policy?
Sir, yoga somewhere represents India as a soft power, and this helps India in maintaining its soft power diplomacy.
And anything else?
I'm not able to connect.
What is the origin of yoga?
Sir, mythologically it is believed that it was Adi Yogi Shiva who have given this particular yoga, and then we can see that it was Patanjali, Maharishi Patanjali, who have compiled Yoga Sutras in his books.
Okay. What is the difference between interest and hobby?
Sir, interest is something we want to do or something which is new to us, and hobby is something we are engaged in on a regular basis.
So you have written Shekhawati in your mother tongue.
Yes, sir.
It is a language or a boli, just boli?
Sir, it's more of a boli.
What is the difference between language and boli?
So boli varies more locally, and it's spoken on a smaller scale, and language is spoken on a larger scale.
Okay. What are the constitutional provisions regarding our language in our constitution?
So
Can call
its
it-
schedule has recognized nearly 22 scheduled languages.
Article number?
Articles are around.
We are watching Sikar growing as a education hub. What are the issues associated with it?
Sir, firstly, education is developing in Sikar, but the infrastructure is not at par with the educational growth. Second is the rising crowd and inward migration in Sikar. So third one is the rising number of suicide cases among the students due to the increasing competitive stress.
Any environmental aspect of it?
So environmental effect is definitely there because of a lot of migration in this particular area. The area is being growing towards urbanization.
So as a DM of Sikar, what steps you are going to take to handle all these kind of negatives or challenges?
So first of all, as a DM, I would like to try to work on the ground level with the people. First of all, I'll try to have the Jan Sunwais and to address the grievances of the people, to know actually what is the problem on the ground level. Secondly, sir, with respect to students, we can take their sessions, we can do workshops regarding the rising pressure of the studies.
Anything else other than awareness and this? We can collaborate with some NGO.
Yes, sir. Interdepartmental coordination and help can be taken from NGOs.
Have you read about CSR, corporate social responsibility?
Yes, sir.
What is this?
Sir, basically the corporation, they basically either they contribute by the terms of funds or in any other manner for the social growth or upliftment.
What is the percentage of fund
Sir, I'm not aware of it.
under which act this?
Sir, I'm not aware of it.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much, Kamal.